The COVID-19 pandemic ravaged the world and changed people's way of life. Corporations also began to work in shifts or from home, thereby increasing the number of meals eaten at home. According to a report released by Business Wire, a renowned market research institute, the global frozen food market will increase at a 5% annual compound growth rate from 2020 to 2024. Taiwan's frozen food businesses have pointed out that while most industries waned during the 2020 pandemic, frozen foods bucked the trend and grew by at least 30%. One of people's favorite foods was dumplings due to their quick preparation and ease of cooking. However, the process of manufacturing handmade dumplings is extremely tedious, which is why Taiwanese companies have developed automated production facilities with integrated smart manufacturing processes. Today's episode of the show offers insights on the making of handmade dumplings and how smart automation is used to increase food production capacity.
I love Taiwan dumplings because of the short cooking time and the convenience. You can eat them immediately once the water boils. You can find a bag of frozen dumplings at the supermarket, or you can make them from scratch if you have the time. I've actually been curious about how dumplings are made. Since we've got the opportunity today, let's have a chef teach us how to make dumplings.
Alright, so today we have prepared minced pork, we have cabbage, and we have carrots, leeks, and green onions, and this, I guess this is your favorite, mushrooms, right?
Yeah.
So after you make sure that everything is mixed evenly, then we will wrap it up and let it sit in the fridge for 30 minutes, and the filling is done.
Okay.
So first we put a dumpling skin.
Oh, orange.
The orange one.
Yeah.
Then we want to dip some water and put it on the edge.
Okay.
So it will help stick easier. So it won't explode it while we roll it. And then we put half a spoon of fillings on the middle. Okay. Yeah. You don't want to put too much because it'll be hard to close it up. All right. Now we start closing it up from the middle. Okay. Give it a good pinch. Okay. Then you will have these edge right here, and I will close the end first. Okay. Then fold it the front. You're actually doing pretty good. Yeah.
Thank you, Igor, for teaching us like how to wrap dumplings.
So dumplings are traditionally eaten at family reunion dinner. Some places may have different customs. Most people eat them on Chinese New Year Eve, while other people might eat them on Chinese New Year Day. And eating dumplings represent people pray for a blessing by getting rid of the old and welcoming the new. And eating dumplings almost represents wealth and prosperity, while they are shaped like gold ingots, you know, like 金元宝, right?
Taiwanese people love to eat dumplings. According to a news report, 2.5 million dumplings are eaten daily in Taiwan. Clearly, our handmade dumplings can't keep up with the speed at which they are eaten. Taiwanese companies have developed automated production facilities with integrated smart manufacturing processes so that machines can wrap dumplings for us. Let's go and take a look at how dumplings are made in Taiwan's factories.
Upon arrival, we're greeted by a clean and sanitary factory with neatly ordered automated production machinery. Making dumplings is a real challenge as it requires a massive amount of labor to prep and wrap the dumplings. But the introduction of automated production machinery has put an end to the era of families laboring together to wrap dumplings. To learn more about the advantages of machines, we'll allow President Ouyang of this food machinery supplier to give us an introduction.
In this fast-pacing world, there are more and more people craving for the frozen food and also the cloud kitchen for delivery business. Therefore, our customer want a fast production machines for their business. Originally, they have the 20 laborers to wrapping up the dumplings for them. But right now, we have this machine can manufacture more than 12,000 pieces per hour dumplings for them. And we can also customize the mold, so the dumpling coming out from our machine can be very similar to the handmade. And also we have a cooling system, so we can keep the texture and the flavor of the dough. So the dumpling coming out of our machine can be very similar to the handmade texture.
It's even possible for this machine to replicate handmade products, such as the 18-fold xiaolongbao and meat buns, which are sometimes even prettier than their handmade counterparts. The machine begins by compressing and thinning a large piece of dough, shaping it with rollers, then placing the filling to produce an 18-fold golden ratio meat bun in an average time of 1 second. Every action, from the placement of raw materials, forming, and production, is completed via an automated production process. The functions of each equipment can be adjusted and customized according to client requirements.
The sheet dough is now going through our rolling process. Then it will come out with an appropriate thickness. Next, here we have attached an additional filling feeder. Today we use the meat filling, but you can also change it to vegetable, custard, or other solid filling as well.
Next, let's visit the R&D office. Aside from Taiwanese dumplings, xiaomai, and meat buns, the highly capable research and development of Taiwan's food machinery factories can be tailored to client requirements for manufacturing Italian ravioli and Indian samosa. For instance, the different formulas required for fried Indian samosas and boiled Taiwanese dumplings will result in products with different shrinkage rates. As such, the molds for these products differ drastically. Let's see how engineers utilize computer simulations and 3D printing technology to produce molds. Now that we have an understanding of automated production machinery, let's learn about one of the hottest terms in recent years: smart manufacturing. In the past, client feedback was the only way of knowing the utilization status of a machine after it is sold. The sensors on the machines of upgraded IoT versions can collect data that is sent to a back-end server for data analysis, to issue actions and commands, or learn from processes to make machines more intelligent. Also, functions such as real-time machine inspections, component lifespan predictions, and repair or maintenance notifications can be provided for food product plants and restaurants without professional engineers. Automatic reminders to regularly perform maintenance or replace components will help clients prevent situations where machines must cease production. In other words, smart manufacturing allows the quality of dumplings to be more consistent and delicious. The ERP system can manage components and search inventories in real time to manage repair parts more efficiently. For food production plants, machines that don't operate daily simply consume operating costs, making the boss more anxious and keeping you from leaving work on time. So, it's especially important for equipment suppliers to provide immediate assistance when there's a problem with machinery. For the audience at home, can you feel Taiwanese equipment manufacturers focus on technology, quality, insistence on equipment that is stable and precise, and the spirited effort they put into producing the best products in this clean and spotless factory that looks nothing like an equipment plant? We're now at the maintenance department, where we'll take a look at how the experienced engineers assemble equipment and help overseas clients clock out on time. How they troubleshoot equipment issues. In truth, Taiwan's industry technology has long been capable of leading the world economy. Taiwan's machinery is exported to almost 100 countries. So what's the reason for our success? The machines you see here can make delicious savory foods, such as dumplings and meat buns, but they can also produce desserts. Allow me to show you Taiwan's exclusive equipment with 5-layer filling technology that can achieve effects unattainable by hand while also reducing production costs. Producing technology-based food products and continuous innovation, those are the advantages of Taiwan's automated equipment.
When we talk about smart manufacturing, welcome to our showroom. So this is our HM588. It's a multifunctional automatic and crushing machine. It has won the Special Jury Prize of the Bakery Industry Innovation Award. So now we are presenting you our newly launched technique 5-layer filling system. It can make a product with 4 different kinds of fillings. The fillings could be creamy filling, liquid filling, or even solid filling also can stuff into the products. Besides that, so 5A also can make mochi, mamu, kupa, aracini, or even also can attach with our ultrasonic cutter to make sliced cookies. It's using our touching panel to control the speed or size. So you just need to use your finger and press it, you'll be done.
Finally, Taiwan's manufacturers can provide one-stop services for different products. In terms of Xiaomai, fully automated production solutions can assist clients in the preparation of ingredients, from washing and cutting vegetables, mincing meat, seasoning, producing dough, and wrapping Xiaomai to provide rapid and efficient mass production capacity. The outer skin and filling method can be freely adjusted to quickly and consistently produce high-quality Xiaomai. In other words, letting machines run your business can reduce labor costs and make worrying about being short on staff due to employees taking leave a thing of the past. Lastly, let's not forget that food safety is highly valued by all countries and clients. The X-ray food testing machine produced by Taiwanese manufacturers not only inspects the number of food products and defects, it's also capable of detecting microcontaminants such as steel wire, stainless steel shavings, and plastic bits that are undetectable by the human eye, thereby helping you produce safer food products, guaranteeing production quality, and building a brand image based on excellence. Whether it's hardware or software, these one-stop services can satisfy the requirements of multinational clients and provide optimal solutions that are personally customized. Come and experience these amazing services for yourself. Do you have a better understanding of Taiwan's machinery for food products after today's show? If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel for more interesting industry information. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.